Hi, we're Laura and Lewis.
And today we're going to make a camping table.
We started by measuring a square 40 by 40 centimeters.
We drew in some fun angles to make the legs. We cut it down using a circular saw and a straight edge. Perfect. We used a jigsaw to cut out the rough shape.
It looked like a boomerang.
Now we're cutting slots for the legs to interlock.
We used a sander to get the final shape. After approximately 47 hours of sanding, the legs finally fit.
Then we cut a notch 2.5 centimeters down from the top.
This got approved by quality control. The tabletop measures 40 by 60 centimeters.
We found the center and marked the dimensions for the cutout.
We drilled a hole in the center so we can use the jigsaw to cut out the shape. Look at us.
We were so happy back then. We masked off some areas with painter's tape, then spray painted to be fancy.
Then we finished off with a few coats of polyacrylic.
Next, we drill holes to glue in neodymium magnets on the legs and the bottom of the table.
The legs will snap to the bottom of the tabletop for storage. Anyone out there still watching? Give this video a thumbs up.
While you're at it, subscribe.